Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Goalbound Roblox mobile. First, ensure you have the Roblox app installed on your mobile device. Once inside, simply search for Goalbound and join a server. You'll control your player using the virtual joystick on the left of your screen for movement. On the right, you'll find action buttons for shooting, passing, and tackling. Mastering these basic controls is your first step to becoming a Goalbound champion, allowing for fluid movement and precise actions on the pitch. Now let's dive into gameplay mechanics. Goalbound features various player roles, each with distinct advantages. Passing is crucial. Look for open teammates and tap the pass button to send the ball their way, building up your attack. When shooting, drag your finger to aim, then release for power and accuracy. Remember, precise timing is key for successful tackles, allowing you to win back possession cleanly without incurring penalties. Practice these skills to dominate the field. Ready to elevate your game? Advanced techniques can give you a significant edge. Experiment with skill moves by swiping on your screen to outmaneuver defenders. Try a quick double tap on the pass button for a through pass, sending the ball into open space for a teammate to run onto. Anticipating your opponent's moves is vital for interceptions and blocks. Effective communication, whether through chat or quick emotes, will greatly enhance your team's overall performance and strategy. Finally, let's talk about customization and progression. As you play and win matches, you'll earn in-game currency. This currency can be spent on exciting new player skins, unique emotes, and other cosmetic items to personalize your avatar. More importantly, you can upgrade your player's core stats, like speed, shooting power, and tackling ability, making them a formidable force on the pitch. Compete in tournaments and leagues to earn exclusive rewards and climb the global leaderboards.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.